Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write a letter to your friend inviting him to attend your brother's marriage. First write examination hall, then write the name of city and date. Dear Ali, the marriage ceremony of my brother Fayaz will be held on the 10th of this month. The marriage party will leave for Lahore early in the morning, in the company of so many friends and cousins. It will be a pleasant ride. We shall have a picnic. You should also participate in it. Please come to us a day before. Yours affectionately, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.